And here's the most beautiful little beach with restaurant where I'm waiting for my dinner. And it was quite busy earlier on today, and that water was divine. And behind there, I'm kind of missing the sunset because it's about that time. The sun is setting over Koh Samet. Oh my God, what a red face. It's the first time I've seen how sunburnt I am. Oh God. So I'm going to get back to my table and enjoy my traditional Thai dish. Is it ready yet? Oh wow, is this Thai tea? Yeah. Okay, you're from my friend there, yeah. Thai tea. It's time for Thai tea. Koh Samet. And last time in the water for a while because, of course, Chiang Mai, where I'm going to tomorrow, heading for tomorrow, is landlocked in the middle of the country. It's surrounded by beautiful waterfalls and mountains, but no sea. So there'll be no excuse for Rory to plunge into the beautiful turquoise waters like this, because there won't be any. Oh, the water is really pleasantly cool, I must say. And I've got another couple of hours of this. Oh, wee! I felt it round my, getting a bit cold there. Okay, I'm going to take the plunge. Watch me now. Oh. Sunglasses off. And under we go. Oh, this thing does actually work underwater. And I could see underwater as well. Been a long time since I've actually opened my eyes. Let me try again. Wow, that's really cool. And amazingly cooling, I must say. So anyway, this is Rock and Rolling Rory reporting from Koh Samet. Last day in the sea, last day on the beach. Who knows, I may return. But for now, in the immortal words of Ringo Starr, peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. So here I'm in the water again. Oh, I must have been in this water forever now. I just don't want to get out now. It's just such a beautiful feeling, like back to the womb, drifting in this almost lukewarm water. It's very therapeutic, I must say. Wonderful. Nice. My first ever fresh coconut. And I'm going to enjoy it here on the beach. A red Rory and a beautiful green coconut from the Reef restaurant here in Koh Samet. Let's see what this tastes like. Wow, it is very sweet. Yeah. Wow. The first time I taste it.
Good, right?
It's good, but it's very sweet. The water.
Yeah, the water is so sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. My favorite, this one.
Yeah.
Good.